Radio altimeter provides important inputs to multiple systems. It feeds data to GPWS, FWC, autopilot, autothrust, and also plays a role in flight control law changes, especially during approach and landing. If one radio altimeter fails, it is not a major issue. The other RA continues to provide valid data, and most systems operate normally. If both radio altimeters fail, the situation becomes more operationally significant. There are no immediate ECAM actions, so the pilot must understand the implications. The most important point is, when the landing gear is selected down, the aircraft will revert to direct law. This can be confirmed on the ECAM status page. Since RA data is no longer available, the flight control system uses inputs from the LGSU to manage mode changes. Operational implications. No GPWS warnings available. No reactive windshear detection. No TCAS. No retard callout. So the crew must compensate with manual awareness and callouts. Approach considerations. Approach limited to Cat 1. Use Config 3 landing. Landing distance procedure must be applied. Only lock can be armed. Once the gear is down and the aircraft goes into direct law, the approach should already be stable. Speed management. Maintain approach speed as VREF plus 10 knots, or VREF plus 15 knots, as per aircraft condition. Crew coordination and flying technique. Since automation support is reduced, PM must give manual callouts. Increased focus on altitude, sink rate, and energy management. Plan for longer vectors, around 20 nautical miles. Stabilize the aircraft early. Configuration sequence. Config 1. Config 2. Then flight director off, bird on. Then autopilot off. Then gear down. At this stage, the aircraft will be in direct law, but autothrust remains available. Continue with Config 3. Trim the aircraft properly and establish a stable descent on the glide path. Go-around consideration. In case of a go-around, after gear retraction, the aircraft will revert back to normal law. Dual RA failure is not about system failure management. It is about loss of automation support during a critical phase of flight. So the focus should be: fly early, stabilize early, and rely on basic flying skills. We hope you found this video useful and that it helps you better understand the operational impact of a dual RA failure. If you like this video, do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. You can also leave your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.